Imagine having a built-in compass, always guiding you. Some animals have this incredible ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field. Sea turtles rely on this invisible force to find their way back to the exact beach where they were born, even years later. Honeybees use it to find food and return precisely to their hive, no matter how far they travel. Salmon navigate hundreds of miles to return to their birthplace, guided by the Earth's magnetic pull. It's like an internal GPS, helping them survive and thrive. Nature's compass is truly one of its great mysteries.